This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Kaggle and enabling the API so you can pull models and datasets programmatically. Once done, create a new notebook and attach the dataset or run Kaggle datasets download to fetch files. This saves time versus manual uploads. Install required libraries next: pip install Torch or TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and any model-specific packages, because missing deps break imports. Make sure runtime type matches your needs. Choose GPU if training or large inference is planned. You now load the model weights. Use Torch. Load with map location or TF. Keras, models. Load model depending on framework so tensors land on CPU or GPU correctly. Then inspect the architecture and confirm input shapes. Mismatched dimensions explain most runtime errors. Next, implement preprocessing exactly as the original: resize, normalize, or tokenization. Once preprocessing is consistent, set up the training or inference loop. Choose batch size, learning rate, and a fixed seed. You finish by running inference or a short validation epoch to verify the model behaves as expected, and log metrics plus sample outputs for quick sanity checks. Once successful, save checkpoints, tokenizer files, and export requirements. TXT so others can reproduce your environment. If something goes wrong, first check GPU memory and D-type mismatches, then confirm file paths and model name strings. Those are the usual culprits. Finally, iterate with smaller batches or CPU runs to isolate the issue before large-scale runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.